Stakeholders are eagerly awaiting the introduction of the Boeing 777X. The next-generation family of Boeing's popular twin-engine widebody will feature several new features, such as its folding wingtips. But did you know that Airbus had also previously patented a similar technology? As Aerotelegraph reported, Boeing actually first secured a patent for folding wingtips in the 1990s. However, a lack of interest from airlines at the time meant that the concept did not come to fruition until the development of its 777X. This should have entered service last year, although various delays have seen this pushed back multiple times, most recently to late 2023. Airbus secured its own patent for moving wingtips in 2014. It planned for its wingtip mechanisms to be, quote, pivotable in relation to the fixed wing. As well as securing a patent for 777X-like upward folding wingtips, Airbus was also granted one for those which fold downwards. The European manufacturer stated several advantages to this design. The technology would use lighter locking mechanisms and actuators than upwards folding wingtips. Such wingtips are supposedly safer. Airbus claimed that this is because aerodynamic forces may cause faulty wingtips to fold upwards in flight, compromising the aircraft's aerodynamic properties. Since obtaining its patent for folding wingtips in 2014, Airbus has yet to push much further forward in developing the technology. This is because, at the time of the patent application, it predicted a, quote, trend towards increasingly large passenger aircraft. However, as we've seen in recent years, the opposite has been the case. With passenger numbers unlikely to return to pre-pandemic levels for some time, the future of long-haul travel lies with long-range, lower-capacity aircraft such as the A321XLR. For Boeing, its 777X folding wingtips will allow operators greater versatility in terms of the airports they can access with the plane, while capitalizing on efficiency gains from a greater wingspan. The aircraft will boast Boeing's widest-ever wingspan, totaling 71 meters in width. This would ordinarily place the aircraft in ICAO's Aerodrome Code F, the same categorization as the larger A380 and 747, thus restricting which airports the 777X could fly in and out of. Now, with wingtips folded, the 777X's wingspan is reduced to 64.8 meters, which is just below the threshold, 65 meters, for ICAO Code E. This allows for the same operational versatility as previous 777 models. Do you think we'll one day see folding wingtips on an Airbus aircraft? Let us know your predictions in the comments. This week, we're excited to announce that the Simple Flying Long Haul channel has got a refresh and will now be called Takeoff. It's all the same great aviation insight and analysis with a refreshed look. Coming to you once a week every Thursday. Check out the video through the link in the description.